We'll guide you through how to make repeating cards Trello. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to automate recurring tasks in Trello. Creating repeating cards saves time, reduces manual work, and ensures important tasks are not forgotten, helping users stay organized and maintain a consistent workflow. To begin this tutorial, open your browser on your computer. Then go to Trello.com by typing the website address into the address bar and pressing Enter on your keyboard. After the website loads, open the board you want to use so you can manage your tasks in the correct workspace. Next, click the automation icon on the board menu to access automation features that help streamline your workflow and reduce repetitive tasks. From the available options, select Rules so you can create rule-based automations for your board. Then select the Scheduled menu to create automations that run at specific times based on your preferences. After that, click Create Automation to start building a new automation rule. Click Add Trigger to define the condition that will activate the automation. Now you can choose a trigger according to your needs. For example, select Every Day if you want the automation to run daily. Then click the clock icon on the trigger that you want to use so you can adjust the timing. Adjust the hour and minute according to your needs so the automation runs at the exact time you prefer. Once the time is set, click the plus icon to continue to the next step. Next, select the action you want to use, for example, Add Card, so the system will automatically create a new card when the trigger is activated. Enter the card title according to your needs, for example, similar to the video, so the card is clearly identified when it appears. Then choose the list name you want to use, for example, similar to the video, so the card is placed in the correct section of your board. After that, click the plus icon again to confirm the action. Now review the trigger and action that you have set to make sure everything matches your needs and workflow. If everything is correct, click Save to apply and activate the automation. Now the scheduled automation for repeating cards has been successfully created.